Hey guys, welcome back again. In our last video, we have seen the widget called as Facebook button, right? So in this video, we are going to talk about one more awesome Facebook related widget that is called as Facebook comments. And where to find it? Under Pro tab, you need to scroll down, and after this Facebook button, we have the next widget called as Facebook comments. By using this Facebook comments widget, this is a full-fledged commenting system, independent commenting system that Facebook offers you so that you can integrate it with any post or any page or literally anywhere on your website. All you need to do is just grab this widget and put it in the section wherever you want to integrate it. And then you can now start customizing it, how to order it by social, reverse time, or time. Based on these options, you can sort it off, and the target URL will be the current page where for what content you want people to comment here. For the content that has been written above this commenting widget, for that itself you want to add the comments, right? So you should be selecting this current page. Anyways, you can also select custom and you can add this link here, but if you do this, then probably there are chances that people will see this comment from somewhere else as well on your website itself. But it is recommended that you select this current page, and so that whatever comments people post on this particular article or in this particular page, it stays here itself. This is how it has to be used. This particular widget has to be used. And then comment count, you can decide comment count 1, 10 or 100, whatever it is. Minimum number of comments has to be 5, I guess. So okay, so you cannot go below 5. You can have more than 10 or 20, 50, or just at least minimum comments has to be 5. Okay. And then under advanced tab, again we have margin, paddings, and motion effects, all these things, background and all. So let me select background because there are some text that are not visible due to the background. So let's change the background so that the text is visible. Let's keep it like this. Okay. And then this is what I have added this comment right previously. So, and then let's click on update. I'll show you how it works. Let's preview the change here. Now just wait for it to load. Okay, once the widget is loaded, you can select the commenting area for the course, click on post, and your comment is added. One more comment is added. People are visiting your website can come here and add comments to that particular post or article or page or piece of content. So this is an awesome feature, right? So Elementor has this in its pro version. So it's really easy to use this widget. And this is it for this video, and in our next video we'll talk about Facebook embed and Facebook page as well, right? So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.